you're comfortable, with your eyes open or your eyes closed. Just be in a place where you're breathing easy. I want you to breathe in through your mouth and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your mouth and out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And just say over and over, my mind, we are now, my body, we are now relaxing. I feel my hair resting on my head. I feel all the muscles in my head relaxing. My jaw is relaxing. My forehead and my eyes. I'm smiling and my whole face is relaxing. I'm relaxing my neck and my throat. With every breath I breathe in the life force, in every exhale, out goes stress. And I breathe in the life force and exhale stress. And now to your shoulders. My shoulders are now relaxing. And I breathe in life force. I exhale all the stress from my shoulders. And I breathe in life force to my arms. Exhale all the stress from my arms. I breathe in life force to my hands and my fingers. I exhale all the stress from my hands and my fingers. Now I'm breathing in life force to my chest and my back. And exhaling all the stress from my chest and my back. Breathing in life force to my abdomen. And exhaling all the stress from my abdomen. Now relaxing my hips. Breathing in life force to my hips. Exhaling all the stress. My body is becoming more and more and more relaxed. And I'm breathing in life force to my legs. And exhaling the stress in my legs. All the way down to my ankles, I'm feeling deeply and peacefully relaxed. And I'm breathing in life force to my feet and exhaling stress from my feet. And now body, I am feeling completely and totally relaxed. And now breathe in through your mouth and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your mouth and out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And now tell your mind, we are now becoming totally at ease, completely relaxed and at peace. If there's some place that you enjoy being in the world, when you're there, you just feel at peace just because you're there. For me, it's a lake It's a big lake called Burke Lake. And when possible, I'm there in person, and otherwise, I picture it right here in my heart. So I'm instantly there right now. So go and picture wherever it is that you find yourself at peace. And just breathe in slowly and breathe out. Breathe in peace. And breathe out worry. Breathe in even clarity. And exhale confusion. And now breathe in through your mouth and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your mouth and out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And let your subconscious mind know what it is you want to create in your life now. And tell it, with every breath I breathe, I am writing a new song. Writing an award-winning book. Making a new friend. Deepening a relationship. Finding peace and love in my life, whatever it is, one thing. With every breath I breathe, I am doing this one thing. See yourself doing it, looking out from inside your eyes. What are you seeing? What are you smelling? If you walk around, what does it feel like on the floor, on your feet? Touch something. Is it hot, cold, smooth? What are you hearing? Are people congratulating you for what you've done? Are you out in nature enjoying the sounds of birds or water rippling? Is there something there you can taste? Some hot tea? Some hot chili? Get yourself totally into the experience, being in your place and doing what you want to create in your life. And now get yourself ready to come back into your awareness of being in the present moment, wherever you're sitting or lying down. Feel its surface under you. Listen and hear the sounds in the room or outdoors, wherever you are, and if your eyes are open, see what you're seeing. And on the count of 3, you'll be aware and return to the present moment, coming back slowly, gradually from your place of peace and deep connection. 1, feeling that chair under you. 2, really aware of all the sounds around you and anything you might be smelling or touching or tasting. And 3, open your eyes, look around, move easily and comfortably. Thank you for joining me. That's the meditation I'm doing in the morning. I'm still refining it and still getting very carried away. I was on for a couple of hours this morning because I found so much peace in it. And I wish the same for you.